Hi everyone, my name is Daisy Nadald, and today I'd like to introduce you to the wide world of Google APIs. APIs, or application programming interfaces, play a big role in enabling software applications to communicate and interact with each other. So in this presentation, we will explore Google APIs and their significance in modern technology. So let's get started here. So, what are APIs? Let's dive into that. APIs, as mentioned earlier, are application programming interfaces. They act as intermediaries, allowing different software applications to exchange data and interact with each other. APIs define the methods and protocols used for communication and provide a set of rules and functionalities that developers can leverage for their own applications, and they can be pretty useful. So to introduce you to Google APIs, Google offers a wide range of APIs that allow developers to integrate their applications with various Google services and products. These APIs provide access to powerful features and functionalities offered by Google, such as Google Maps, Google Calendars, Google Translate, and a lot more. So by utilizing Google APIs, developers can enhance their applications with the capabilities of Google's vast ecosystem and all the different applications that they have in their wheelhouse. So it can be pretty powerful. Some popular Google APIs include these. So Google Maps API. So what that does is it basically embeds Google Maps into applications for interactive mapping features. So this can be like if you need to integrate, just like an open like street map type thing into your application. Google Calendar API. This is where you can access and manage Google Calendar data within your application. And this is actually where I jump into my senior project. I'm going to be using Google Calendar's API to help plan some business drives for my husband and I's business. The Google Drive API integrates Google Drive for efficient file management. The Google Translate API, where you can add multilingual capabilities to your applications with their translation services. And those are just a few examples because Google offers a whole lot more APIs for various services. So let's just get into some of the benefits of using Google APIs. Let's ask the question, why should you consider using Google APIs in your applications? So first, by leveraging Google APIs, you can gain access to powerful and well-established services offered by Google, like the ones that we just mentioned on the previous slide. Second, integrating Google APIs can significantly enhance the functionality and user experience of your applications, again, without having to write all of the really in-depth, difficult code that is involved in Google services. So you can have them at your disposal without the effort. And then finally, Google APIs allow seamless integration and with other Google products and services, creating a cohesive user experience. So you can use multiple Google APIs in one single application that can be super powerful. So getting started with Google APIs, it's a pretty straightforward process. First, you'll create a project in the Google Cloud Console, then you'll enable the desired APIs for your project, and then obtain API credentials and keys for authentication and begin using the APIs in your application to unlock their potential. Some of the use cases are embedding interactive maps into applications, integrating Google Calendar for efficient event management, accessing and manipulating files in Google Drive seamlessly, and implementing multilingual capabilities. Some of the best practices and considerations are to familiarize yourself with the API documentation and guidelines, securely manage your API credentials, monitor your API usage, and always adhere to terms and service. In conclusion, Google APIs offer a wealth of possibilities for developers to enhance their applications. By integrating Google APIs, you can leverage the power of Google services and products, providing valuable functionality to your users. And I encourage you to explore the extensive documentation and resources provided by Google to get started with the APIs.